Entertainment. Robots are designed to engage and interact with humans in a fun and often playful way. Here are some examples. Asterisk Robotic Pets Asterisk. These robots are designed to mimic the behavior of real pets, providing companionship and entertainment. Examples include Sony's Avo robotic dog and robotic cats. Asterisk Humanoid Robots Asterisk. These robots are designed to resemble humans and can perform various tasks, such as dancing, singing, and even playing musical instruments. Examples include Honda's Asimo and Sophia the Robot. Asterisk Interactive Robots Asterisk. These robots are designed to interact with humans through conversation, gestures, and facial expressions. Examples include Pepper, the humanoid robot developed by SoftBank Robotics. Asterisk Gaming Robots Asterisk. These robots are designed specifically for gaming and can interact with humans through various interfaces. Examples include robotic toys and game consoles. Features of entertainment robots. Follow us for more videos.